Sitera kwagala kuddamu bigambo naye kambiddemu mu Luganda. Agambye olw'okuba nti afunye essanyu lingi ate ng'ayagala abawala bano babeere nga tebalina buzibu bwo.
Things for them. Encourage them to take physical risks. By this I mean, if you see that a child has fear to do something, you can encourage them to do it, but starting with small actions. In that way, they can overcome their fear and improve their confidence. Get girls to work together. Let the girl know you love and value them. Allow them to disagree with you. Make regular time for them and listen to them. For example, you can take a walk with a girl child or interact with them. In that way, you're able to know their challenges that they face, that they can only tell you in confidence. Listen more than you talk. Let us talk to the girls and not talk at the girls. Limit the girls' exposure to media, for we know that in instances it can be harmful to them. Acknowledge their struggles and help them in their struggles. To all the girls and children here, believe in yourself, your dreams are valid, and the future is bright. Let no one put you down, for you are unique and specially created to do great things in life. Discipline is key for you to achieve success in your studies and life after school. Respect your teachers and prefects. Follow the school rules and regulations. Make good friends, avoid cliques, and always work together as a team. Among you, the children and the girls here, I see future leaders, judges, lawyers, teachers, doctors, accountants, engineers, and pilots. You are in the right place because the Sube gives you a firm foundation.